Hey everybody, this is Charlie with Dryer on Fire. I'm actually standing on the top of the 8th floor of a parking garage in downtown Boise. This is my view of from here, doing a condo complex, 83 units. What a freaking view. Love it. This is my view from the office today. Yeah, I don't know if you got the panorama there, but yep, I'm downtown Boise. It's pretty decently sized. But there's my, I've already done like 20, I've done 30 dryer vents already, but just thought I'd check in and say hi. So have a good day.